Quarter 2, Lesson 3. Electromagnetic Spectrum. In your previous lesson, you have learned the comparison of the relative wavelengths of different types of electromagnetic waves. Here are the learning objectives. At the end of this video lesson, you should be able to 1. Enumerate the 7 electromagnetic spectrum. 2. Cite the different practical applications of 7 electromagnetic spectrum. Let's proceed to the practical applications of 7 electromagnetic spectrum. The 7 electromagnetic spectrum are radio wave, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray and gamma ray. Do you wonder how we can watch our favorite noontime show, or news in our television? Or we can tune in with our preferred FM radio station? Well, thanks to radio wave. Radio wave has the longest wavelength but has the lowest frequency and energy. Therefore, it is used to transmit signals in radio communication and TV broadcasting. Microwaves. Microwave oven is used to cook or heat food. How? When you turn on the microwave and started to set it, the water molecules of the food inside start to vibrate through microwaves, causing the production of intermolecular friction between the molecules of the food. As a result, heat is produced that will make the food to be cooked. Another application of microwave is radar or radio detection and ranging. It is used to locate, track, recognize, or detect object within a range. It emits microwaves until it reaches the target. Microwaves have higher frequencies compared to radio waves that made it to be used in satellite communication. Unlike radio waves, microwaves are used to transmit signals overseas. This is the reason why we can communicate to our friends and relatives living in other parts of the world. A mobile phone works by transmitting microwaves which are received by cell sites and delivered to a target mobile phone. The towers are connected through a wire-based system which work together to deliver calls and messages. Infrared radiation. Infrared photographs taken from satellite with special films provide useful details of vegetation on the Earth's surface. Infrared remote controls are used in televisions, video, cassette recorders, and other electronic appliances. Infrared scanners are used to show the temperature variation of the body. Visible light. Phototherapy is the use of light in medical treatment of a variety of ailments from topical infections and chronic wounds to autoimmune and chronic degenerative diseases. Artificial lights like flashlight, lamp etc. are any light source that produce light instead of natural lights produced by the sun. Optical fibers. One use of optical fibers in medicine is endoscope, a flexible tube with tiny camera that is used to observe the internal parts of the body. Ultraviolet radiation. Security markings. Sensitive documents such as credit cards, banknotes, and passports include a UV watermark that is only seen under UV emitting light. Sterilization of water in drinking fountains. Ultraviolet light disinfection is one water treatment system that can be used to remove most forms of microbiological contamination from water. Ultraviolet B, UVB, radiation in sunlight interact with a protein, 7-DHC, in the skin, converting it into vitamin D3, the active form of vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. but too much exposure to UV radiation can cause skin aging or worst, skin cancer. X-ray. Diagnosing bone fractures. X-rays are produced using an X-ray tube. They are emitted when fast-moving electrons hit a metal target. Long wavelength X-rays can penetrate the flesh but not the bones. That's why it is used in diagnosing bone fractures. Airport security scanner. The short wavelength X-rays can penetrate through metals, which can be used in airport security scanner. Gamma ray. Treat tumors and cancer through the process called radiotherapy. The high-energy rays of gamma destroys cancer cells in the area where it is given. Gamma rays sterilize surgical instruments because they easily penetrate through materials, and the energy they release kills bacteria and other microorganisms.